Noise ColorFit Ultra 3 Bluetooth Calling Smart Watch. Product information. 1.96 4.9 centimeters AMOLED display. See life unfold on a bigger canvas. 7-day battery life. Today's with calling. Become unstoppable with a watch that powers up completely after only 2 hours of charging. NoiseFit app. Track your activity and stay on top of your fitness goals with the NoiseFit app. Complete challenges, compete with friends and earn exclusive offers and rewards. Equipped with MEMS microphone for calling clarity. Features to love. Advanced Bluetooth calling powered by TrueSync TM for crystal clear calling. Functional crown for effortless navigation. Always on display for easy accessibility. What's in the box? Smartwatch, charger, warranty card, user manual. Toolkit for strap size adjustment for elite edition watches only. The watch is not a replacement for a medical device. The readings can have error margins. Best buy product link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.